Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jeriana Janae, and in today's video we are going to be trying out yet another color hair wig. I'm so excited, but I'm also kind of scared because y'all, this one is about to be a lot for me. So yeah, the hair that we're going to be using today is coming from CELIEHAIR. Once again, shout out to CELIEHAIR for sponsoring this video and sending me over this unit. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what this unit looks like because y'all, your girl is scared. Okay, so this is the hair, y'all. Scary, right? So the wig is actually a 24-inch 5x5 lace closure wig, and this is the 99J color. So it's like that burgundy reddish color. So that's what we're about to be doing today. And yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into this install. We're gonna try to make this real quick, real simple and easy because I'm anxious. I'm ready to see what this is gonna look like. So y'all, wish me luck. Hopefully this turns out cute. y'all. Tell me this not lace. This lace is melted. Like, hold on, let me get a little close because maybe y'all can't see. Y'all. We melted. I think we melted. All right, y'all. So as you can see, I am very pleased with how this install turned out. This was my first time trying a red wig. This is the 99J colored wig from CELIEHAIR. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this video is sponsored by CELIEHAIR as well. So shout out to them. So let me go ahead and get into the specs of the hair once again. I did mention in the beginning of the video the specs, but I'm just gonna run it down for y'all again one more time. So this is a 5x5 HD lace closure 24-inch 99J body wave wig in 180% density. This one, oh my god, I don't even know where to start. I don't really have any complaints. Like, I literally like love this more than I expected. So yes, this is another 10 out of 10 from CELIEHAIR. Like, if the first review didn't tell y'all need to shop with them, this one most definitely needs to tell y'all that y'all need to shop with them. Whether y'all get this unit, the last unit, any type of unit, y'all need to get a unit from CELIEHAIR because they come in with it. Like, y'all see it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you plan on picking you up a CELIEHAIR unit because the hair, I'm telling y'all, is bomb. The construction of the wig is bomb. Like, lace is bomb. I'm telling y'all, like, y'all need to pick y'all up one because they coming for y'all neck. They coming for the jugular, okay? So y'all need to shop with CELIEHAIR today. With all that being said, please make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.